Now, what do you do with a function that does something like this? A bloop, and then it actually hits this point, and maybe it jumps down here and continues. Now, what do we do with that function? Okay, it's certainly continuous over here, but what's happening at that jump there? Well, it's not continuous, but we're going to say it's continuous from the left. So this is A, and we'll say this is continuous. So continuous from the left. That's what's happening over here. And then continuous from the right would be the other way around, where you have a function doing something like, oh, there we go. And say it goes up here and then goes off on its merry way. Okay, so as I approach from the right here, my function, its limit, what this arrow is pointing towards, actually equals the value of the function. So in the wording of limits, we say the limit as x goes to a plus of the function is the value that the function takes at a. And over here we have limit x goes to a minus, so approaching a from the left of the function is the value of the function at a. Okay, some more details and examples. So now we have continuity on an interval. So pause and copy all this. I'll be drawing things over here, so leave some space. Now, continuity on an interval. So here, the picture is something like this. You have your interval a, b, and an example would be a function that is continuous between a and b, but not necessarily at a and b. And you can have other variations, like we have here. So where you have an interval that is closed on one side. So let's do this and do this example here. So you have 4 over here, 2 over here. Now I want it to be continuous on 2, 4. I want it to be continuous at 2 from the right. So at the right, I'll do at 2, I will do a closed ball. And then maybe I have oops, went a bit too far there. I think I'll just move my 4, won't I? Here we go. Okay, so here's an example. Between 2 and 4, we have continuity. And then at 2 itself, you maybe don't have continuity from the left, but you do have continuity from the right.